Good morning, everyone. It's Tammy, and I have a package here from Sweet Kawaii, and this is the monthly kit, and I am a subscriber to this kit, and I am happy that I am because it has been so cute. And I even love the packaging. I keep those, and I also keep some of this, but thank you for your supporting our small business, and look how cute those guys are. I love them. So what I try to do is take them off as carefully as I can. The stickers that she makes are vinyl, so they don't break or they don't rip, but it rips the bag, and I try not to rip it too badly because I also recycle and reuse that. So many fun things that you can do with all of her cuteness. Okay, I didn't do a great job this time, but hey, I'm digging in, aren't I? But then I do keep this so that I can use it. I will cut the little guys out and use those because I think they're just adorable. And then I will reuse this as paper or even in my Tennessee notebook or whatever. So this is the kit for July. And I get the itty bitties because I love them. I hurt my finger, so I'm sorry. I'm trying to not put too much pressure on that. I'm not getting things out of the bag very well. All right. So let's see. What do we have here? We have the July sticker, which is adorable with the cute little hippopotamus who's a mermaid, the mermaid hippo. And then here are the wacky holidays for July, and postage stamp day, eat your beans day, lollipop day, I mean, who knew, cousins day, lipstick day, avocado day. It's just fun. So there's that. And then here are, this is the Itty Bitty July. This is page 2 because I think that the Wacky Holidays is considered her page 1. So it's 2 of 7, but she always does such a great job. It's just so cute. So there's all of those half boxes and the little quarter boxes. And then here are the full boxes. Keep life simple, make a splash, be a mermaid and make waves, sunshine is the best medicine, less Monday, more summer. Really cute. And then some check boxes and some functionals, day off, lazy day. And page 5 is Hello Weekend, and it has bills and TV, salty but sweet. So cute. The unicorn mermaid. And this one has Monday through Sunday written on it, so you can use those as your like your daily task management thing to make sure that you've finished each one. That has a name, and I don't remember what it's called. I like how these look like Polaroids. That's really cute. And I just love all the critters. Of course I do, because I love critters. Habit tracker. And then these are adorable. It has the day of the week and then the date stickers and functional stickers. Look how cute those are. Oh my goodness, I love them. And then the functional stickers are adorable too. And then she has the washi for the bottom. This is the July bottom cover. So you can just put these on the bottom. I guess it's like a where the calendar doesn't go all the way through. You can use these. It's so cute. So I think that is, yes, that's actually number 8. So you got that one and this one. That. And that. That's a great deal. I just love them. So check out Sweet Kawaii Design and check out her monthly kits. I don't think you'd be disappointed. I think they're just adorable. And I love the vinyl, so that you do need to know that she uses vinyl as her sticker base. So if you don't like vinyl, you might not like that. And I don't think she has a choice, but I love it. I think it's great. So yeah, hope you check it out. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.